Can you get some tomato?
Can you give me my goldfish back, Noah?
Here, I'll get you some. That's so nice. Here, I'm going to give you a whole handful. One at a time. Okay, here you go, Meadow. Some right here. Here, sit down. Sit down. Here, sit down on your chair.
Going back after his goldfish, huh?
Yeah.
Get my issue away. Get my issue away.
Alright, so can I get some tomato and you get here?
You gave her one?
Yeah, one. This will be Bud chilling at the beach, relaxing in my chair, which is now his chair. You don't want the hat on anymore?
I want it on.
This is Doobie with her glasses, chillaxing. What up?
What's up? I got my feminine glasses on.
Nice, nice. Smooth criminal.
It's for the guys.